Imagine waking up one morning to see Bitcoin's price skyrocketing. Your phone buzzes with alerts, and social media is buzzing with excitement. You can't help but feel the thrill. But what might cause this sudden rise, and when? Before we predict when, let's explore the key events that could lead to the next Bitcoin bull run. By early 2025, large companies would start investing in Bitcoin. Big names like Apple, Google, and Amazon would start buying Bitcoin as part of their investment strategy. This news, when spread quickly, would bring a lot of attention to Bitcoin. When big companies invest in something, many people follow. This, in turn, will bring in more investors, driving up the price. Next is, of course, regulatory clarity. Governments around the world are creating clear rules for Bitcoin and other cryptocurrencies. The United States, Europe, and Asia agree on regulations that protect investors while allowing the crypto market to grow. These clear regulations reduce fear and uncertainty. People feel safer investing in Bitcoin, leading to more buying and higher prices. Now let's move on to another crucial factor. By late 2025, Bitcoin would start seeing major technological upgrades. Developers are about to release a new version of Bitcoin software that makes transactions faster and cheaper. This upgrade, known as the Lightning Network 2.0, would allow people to use Bitcoin for everyday purchases without high fees. Now, you might wonder why that matters. But better technology makes Bitcoin more useful. When it's easier to use, more people will want to buy it, increasing demand and price. The next factor is not directly about Bitcoin or its advances. By early 2026, the global economy is supposed to face several challenges. Inflation is already rising, and traditional currencies are losing value. People would start looking for safe places to store their money. Bitcoin, often called digital gold, becomes an attractive option then. Bitcoin's limited supply makes it a good store of value, driving up its price. Now, let's get to the masses. By mid-2026, more businesses are predicted to start accepting Bitcoin as payment. Major retailers, online shops, and even small local stores would start allowing customers to pay with Bitcoin. This makes it easier for people to use Bitcoin in their daily lives. Then, the more places that accept Bitcoin, the more valuable it becomes. Mainstream adoption means more people will buy and use Bitcoin, pushing the price higher. Last but not least, as Bitcoin's price starts to rise by late 2026, the media would begin to cover it more extensively. News channels, newspapers, and social media platforms would be filled with stories about Bitcoin's success. This is going to create a fear of missing out, FOMO, among people who haven't invested yet. So the next Bitcoin bull run could be a result of these key events happening in sequence. By late 2026, we might see Bitcoin reach new all-time highs with its next bull run, creating excitement and opportunities for investors around the world. So keep an eye on these events, and you might just catch the next big wave in the world of Bitcoin.